concept, basic OOPS concept using Python. In this, we'll try to cover classes, object, method, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and data abstraction. Suppose how we'll define a class itself in Python. First of all, we'll just create a class car. We define column, and right now I'm not just defining any content for this class. I'll just say pass. This is how you define a class in Python. Now, the second we'll create a instance of this class. I will just say car equal to car and print this car. So if you see here, I'll just run this one. I'll run the first one first and then second one. So this car class located at this memory location. Since I don't have a content of this class, just showing me the reference of this object at some memory location. Next, we'll create a class with a method. Here I have a description method, plus I have a constructor. Constructor is used to initialize the variable of a class. Here even I have like a fixed parameter or like a fixed class value for this. I suppose this car, whatever cars I have in my collection is all of type sedan. I'll just create a class of this type. I'll just pass this is car of Audi type and like the mileage is giving 15. I'll just try to print the description of this class. Since I'm getting Audi is giving mileage of 15 kilometer. So this is how you define a method in Python. Um, third, we'll talk about inheritance. So first you define a parent class. You have the body of the parent class. Then you define the child class. In the child class, you have to pass the parent reference. Then you have to define the body of the child class. Similarly, suppose I have a car class, which have a just description. Now I have a Audi car, which has a feature of airbag. Now we'll inherit the car class. I need all the features of the car class. Plus, I need airbag feature also. So here I've created Audi instance, which is taking Audi 4 A4 as the name, and the mileage is 12 kilometer, 12 kilometer per liter. And then I'll just print the description, and I'll just say, give me the airbag also. So is having airbag. So it's just telling me. So in now we'll talk about encapsulation. So if you see, right, if I just try to access my name variable here, if you see that my variables are accessible, it's a public by default. So now we'll in Python to mark some variable as protected, you have to prefix with underscore. And like if you want to make it private, double underscore and protected as underscore. Um, so if you see here, we have defined this variable as part of a constructor, right? Name and the mileage. This is like a public variable declaration. Suppose we want to initialize as a, if we initialize a double underscore, then I'll just try to access the variable outside just as I have created instance here. I'll just try to run it. If you see like the car has no attribute underscore name, this is how you protect your variables. Now, but in one case, like you can still access this variable by something called as mangling. You can call Audi dot underscore the class name and the underscore the variable. You can still access this. Now, with the next section, we'll talk about polymorphism. So polymorphism means like the same method give different forms. Suppose I have a description of a class. The description could be different for BMW and Audi. Similarly, same class will be behaving differently. Same method, the feature which define description is behaving differently for two different class. Suppose I've created two instances of two classes like car, BMW and Audi, which have a description method. Both giving description. Suppose for BMW and Audi. But when I run it, I'll get a different. For BMW is giving 12 kilometer and like Audi is giving different mileage of 12 kilometer. So there are two different description. Next, we'll talk about abstraction. Abstraction, you think like I have a description of a class, but I don't have a concrete implementation right now. I don't know how this class will behave for BMW or Audi. So I'll just created a concrete class. So suppose say BMW. In this one, I can define like BMW is giving me mileage. So this is how the description of BMW will look like. And I'll just run it. So let's see how it behaves. So the BMW is giving a mileage of 12 kilometer per hour. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you see here, we have imported a ABC library. This is a special library in Python, which you have to inherit using ABC, this car class, and you have to annotate abstract method to mark it as abstract method. Um, So if you see, right, as part of the session, we have covered classes. We have defined the classes. We have defined the instance of the object. We have talked about method. We have talked about inheritance of that car class and the BMW class. And we have Audi class where the talk about airbag feature in the inheritance. Then we talk about encapsulation where we try to access variable using underscore and double underscore for protected and double underscore for a private variable. We talk about polymorphism, same the description having different meaning for two different cars. We talk about abstraction, the description. We don't know how a proper implementation, but we for each of the suppose the BMW and Audi class can define their proper implementation. You define the abstraction. So that's pretty much it as part of the basic concept of OOPS. Thank you. Having a great day.